Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to purchase the world pack with the flower currency in Dressed and Price game of Roblox Summer Update. Okay, first, if you want to purchase the world pack, you can go to this menu, this one, and then you're going to go to the walks. And these are the 3 packs that you can purchase with your flowers. The first one is the Bodybuilder. I'm gonna give you the preview. Okay, this is for the walk. Oh my god, that's so fun. And this is for the pose. Okay, and then the second one is the fresh one. Alright, like this, and I have owned this fresh wall pack. And the third one is this Ivy League. Okay, this is the walk. And if you want to equip the walk pack, you're going to go to this room and click on this menu. And here you'll be able to find all the walk packs you have owned. This is my Star Baby Wolf pack, and I'm going to equip the wolf. Okay, like this. And if you want to unequip it, just go back to this room and click on Unequip Wolf. Okay guys, and that's how you can purchase the wolf pack with the flower currency in Dressed and Price game of Roblox Summer Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!